a mulberry plant outside, newly planted last month. This place is newly opened last month. Yeah, during our national. And about 2,000 years ago, Chinese silk exported. That was the Silk Road. You must know this, right? Silk Road starts from Han Dynasty. This character is very Chinese. Actually, again, Han Dynasty, 2,000 years ago, Chinese silk from Suzhou by one. This is the way we make the silk doona. It's totally handiwork. Even today, we need 6,000 cocoons to make one doona. Let me try to open one for you. This is a cocoon, double cocoon. There are two silkworms inside, but the joined one is so strong you cannot break easily. If we put the in the water first. Look at this. This is the way we open the cocoon to a network, perfect shape. And we do this step by step. It's not a one-time job to open to a better size. Yeah, so we open step by step. First we open like this, make it bigger. Many layers to make it stronger to be opened again. 10 layers here, another 10 layers here. Try to break this. You cannot break this. So strong. We make a bulletproof vest for policemen with the silk. Very strong. Let's put this in the middle. I need 2 more hands here, 2 more hands here. Yeah. Let's hold this on the side. Slowly, gently. Just this side. Not that side. Yeah. Slowly. Yeah. Try to cover the whole bag. Yeah. Try to cover the whole bag on the corner. Yes. We just need more practice to be perfect. Yeah. And our but for shopping, if you like shopping, it's also free time for you. You don't need a team for shopping. You just need your credit card. Yes. Easy to do shopping in a government place. You know why? Everything is fixed price. No need to bargain. So it's very easy. But
That direction, that is west. You know, people come and go by boats, you know. But nowadays on the canal, private boats not allowed anymore. No more private boats. And even we don't have any water tanks, you know. But like in Venice, they still have water tanks, So if you want to try the noodle soup, this is another choice. Okay, put it down. This is also another choice. Okay, with also the noodle soup, and also steamed pork bun. Steamed pork. You know, maybe some people cannot eat the shrimp. You know, pork bun is also choice. And also this restaurant also they have fried rice. Some people like fried rice. You know, beef fried rice, or just egg fried rice, and the wonton soup, dumpling soup with pork. Okay, so this is third choice. Another choice, okay, put it down here. This is the one I recommend to you on the bus. This is the one I recommend to you, okay? Stir fried bun, okay? This is the regular serve, you know, 16 shrimps. Prawn and shrimp inside. One serve is 4 pieces. 4 pieces, 1 serve. And also here they have crab and pork. Crab, beef, and pork. And this is the crab and the shrimp, okay? And this is the steamed sticky rice.
Scorpion, or you want to get ice cream? Hello? Hey, how are you? Here's the girl, I think.
Hello.
Okay.
And the scorpion is very tasty.
It was very tasty, the scorpion.
Yeah, it's tasty.
And one of those, yes. How much are they?
5.
Pardon?
5.
15, I think. 15. Okay. Just one for me, thanks. No, just a scorpion. Okay. Just have a look. Oh, what's that one?
Very good.
I'll have the scorpion. Wait. Okay. Let me finish filming.
And altogether we use 2,500 pieces of cake to make this picture, okay? And it was put here on the 2,500 years anniversary of the city, okay? Which shows the general layout of the whole garden. So this is the whole garden, okay? These black parts stand for water.